is a tutorial for the behind the back pass or mandala. You will always be spinning your hoop towards your body for this move. At the top, you'll pass with your knuckles up and pinkies together. Gradually move your arm down during the handspin. Remember, it's a small handshake motion for the handspin. You may place your hand behind your head during the spin down. Grasp when the hoop is facing up, and pass at the bottom with your palms up and pointer fingers together. You may place your hand behind your back during the spin up. Gradually move your arm up during the handspin. You can vary the number of rotations for the handspins. Extend your arms fully for each pass to take up space. Happy hooping!